These units are available in the USA through Walmart, Wayfair, Home Depot, and Amazon, as well as the manufacturer's website. The Muse series offers premium heat pumps that can be installed by DIY, and they are backed by a pretty good guarantee. The 9000 and 12000 BTU models use 115-volt power for flexibility and installation, while the 18000 BTU model is a basic heat pump with a 19 SEER efficiency and uses 230-volt power. The units are for single-zone installations and only offer high-wall indoor units, but they feature state-of-the-art inverter compressors. They have a 4-speed fan and a temperature-sensing remote for enhanced comfort, but only use a standard washable filter, which does not do much to improve the home's indoor air quality. The units have an energy saver mode as well as a freeze-guard heating function, which will protect the home's water pipes from freezing weather while you are away for extended periods of time. The indoor units are very quiet, with a noise rating that is below that of a Whisper, but the current models use R410A refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as R32.